Health is not just about food and medication. It's also about the environment that you live in. Kasi habang tumatanda ka, nare-realize mo na it's not about talaga living longer eh.
Yeah.
It's about living better. Ang bilis talaga ng week. Friday na kahapon, tapos ngayon weekend na naman. So, kagabi late ka dumating ah.
Mga an hour and 5 minutes. Tagal, yung traffic.
Oo. Galing si Haven,
Oo.
LA kasi.
Oo.
Oo.
20 miles yun. So, that's city living talaga.
Normal.
Normal. May stress sa road, maraming siraulong driver.
Oo.
Tsaka talagang volume ng cars.
Dami.
Traffic.
Yeah.
Grabe.
Alam niyo, we've lived in the city for years. And although we love the convenience, sometimes na-feel pa rin namin na that air is parang, it's heavy, di ba?
Oo.
Punong-puno na smog. Kaya pa nagda-drive ka, kitang-kita mo talaga yung smog sa view mo.
Makapal yung smog.
And then, tapos aside from that, feel mo na life is just too fast, di ba? Parang kakastart mo pala ng week ng Monday, Friday na kaagad.
Sobrang busy kasi.
Oo. Ewan ko, maybe it's because of our age or maybe where we are in life now. Kasi ngayon, iba na talaga yung mga hinahanap-hanap namin ni Haven eh. Ngayon, we look forward to yung mga... Ano ba yung look forward natin?
Yung paggising mo, pagbukas mo ang bintana,
Oo.
may simoy ng hangin.
Yung fresh air, diba?
Tsaka yung buhay na hindi ka nagmamadali.
Oo.
Yun ang kine-crave.
Basta parang, gusto mo...
Not only us. Siyempre,
sure,
we speak for everyone.
Oo. Tsaka yung peace and quiet, diba? Tsaka isa pa sa pagkain din na, dati nung bata tayo, ang kine-crave natin yung mga meat, junk food, mga lahat. Burger. Pero ngayon, alam mo na pag matanda ka na, padang hinahanap mo na mga gulay at saka isda.
At our age now, obviously, we're not as young and as healthy as before.
Oo.
Yung isip namin yung just go on with life, nonchalant.
Oo. Kasi alam mo parati na, we're young, we're healthy na, okay lang, everything's good.
Oo. Ngayon, pag may check-up kami, let's say sa doctor, yung parang reminder yun na talagang dapat mag-ingat. Kasi, puros mga bad news na like, sa akin.
That's true.
It's true, lahat. Your cholesterol is this.
At our age kasi, lumalabas lahat ng sakit. Katulad sa'yo, diabetic ka, di ba?
Tapos meron pa akong AFib.
Tapos kami dalawa, merong high blood pressure. Parang kotse yan eh.
Oo.
Habang tumatanda, lumalabas lahat ng sakit.
Kailangan ng transmission replacement.
Kaya we've made a lot of changes. Yung eating habits namin, we eat clean, and then we walk more, we exercise.
Regularly.
In short, we try to live healthy. I mean, health is not just about food and medication, diba? It's also about the environment that you live in.
It really affects
it makes a difference.
Yung well-being natin. Kasi you can be eating right. Kaya lang, kung stressful ang environment mo, nafe-feel mo yan sa body mo eh. But kunyari, ang environment mo, maganda, mas gumagang naman
ang pakiramdam mo.
Yeah, diba? Yung feeling mo.
Maliwalas.
And that's good for your well-being.
Yeah. Siguro kaya lately, we're drawn to yung slower living, di ba?
Yes.
Yung hindi nagmamadali, may time for quiet, and space to think. Parang magmuni-muni ka. Kasi habang tumatanda ka, nare-realize mo na it's not about talaga living longer eh. Yeah. It's about living better.
Right.
Ano sasabi nila nga, quality of life.
Yeah.
Kaya ang gusto naming buhay, yung simple lang, yung chill-chill, kumbaga nga, di ba?
So recently, we came across this place called Epic Leisure Farm. Alam niyo, nasa Tanay, Rizal to sa Philippines.
Oo. Grabe. Yung ano dyan, talagang elevated siya, nasa mountain area. Tapos makita mo, puro greens, di ba? Tsaka puro puno.
Tsaka walang smog.
Walang smog, yun ang importante.
Yun ang pansin namin.
And yung weather, perfect yun. Malamig.
Kasi elevated siya
elevated kasi
mountainous
siya.
Area yun eh.
Oo. ano yun eh, it's that kind of place that slows you down in the best way.
Yeah.
Yung ganong klaseng living, kaya gustong-gusto rin namin Haven yun. Kasi, share namin to ha, yung kapitbahay namin, nagdala ng persimmon. So, yung backyard niya, meron siyang persimmon, meron siyang calamansi. Parang tayo, di ba, meron tayong oranges, lemon. Dito sa Amerika, ganun, yung mga prutas. Pero kunyari yung sa Epic Farm na to, Epic Leisure Farm, yung place na yon, pwede kang magtanim ng mga sarili mong puno.
Very vast yung land, no? Ganda, no?
Meron kang pwedeng gulay, na pwede kang farm to table. Tapos kasi ang gusto ko talaga yung mga puno, imagine tuloy ako yung puno na meron kang lansones, meron kang rambutan, mangga. Yung mga prutas na wala dito.
Talaga, lahat naman dito, wala masyado dito.
Siniguelas, yun.
Mga gulay, yung mga, let's say, sigarilyas.
Parati mo hinahanap yun wala dito. Pero yun, ang talagang maganda doon is you can plant your own vegetables. Tapos you can harvest it, tapos diretso sa table mo, kakainin mo na lang.
Self-sufficient ka na. This community is stuck in Barangay Coyambay, up in the highlands of Tanay. It's about a 2-hour drive from Manila, and that's the average time including traffic. That's going through the Marilake Highway or Manila East Road.
Madali lang siyang puntahan, pero once you're there, it feels like a totally different world. Fresh air, peaceful surroundings, parang nature is just calling you to slow down. The lots here start at about 1,000 square meters, so there's enough space to really build your own version of slow living. Maybe a small house, a garden, or a weekend retreat. Para siyang perfect mix of privacy and community.
So, you know, what we've always said that we want to retire here in the US. And don't get us wrong, that's still our plan, syempre. But, syempre, yung inisip tayo.
Englishin mo na kaya.
But anyway, what we're thinking is still that, why not enjoy both worlds, di ba?
Enjoy the life that we built here in the US, and you can also enjoy the life in the Philippines.
Yeah, para ma-reset mo yung button.
Be closer to nature and live like slow for a few months. Di ba nga maraming mga, ang tawag doon, yung mga snowbirds. Di ba 6 months dito sa North America, and then 6 months din sa atin.
Pag lumalamig masyado dito. A lot of people practice that.
Hindi naman kasi kailangan pumili ka ng isang place lang kung saan ka pwede maging happy.
Yeah.
Sometimes you just want to have the balance of city life here in the US and quiet life in the Philippines. It's not even just about having a vacation home. It's more about having a space to remind us to, slow down muna, eat healthy, and be able to breathe fresh air. Diba yung simoy ng hangin? Minsan kasi, kailangan mo lang talaga mag-recharge. Get out of the city and live peace and quiet paminsan-minsan. Alam nyo ba, we used to think na when you talk about wellness, it's about gym and diets, diba?
But now it's more about balance.
Guilty ako doon.
It's about creating an environment na, that gives you what? Peace. Diba? So whether you are in the city, the suburbs, or the mountains, if you can find moments to slow down and breathe, I think that would be a good start.
So kami ni Haven, sanay na kami sa city life. We've been living here like for the longest time. Maingay, mabilis, traffic, may smog, ano pa. Kaya pag nakakita kami ng ganitong place na tahimik, presko, and fresh ang air, parang naalala namin kung ano ba talagang ibig sabihin ng peace. Maybe that's what health is all about
Yung living calmly.
And surrounded ka by people and places that makes you feel whole again. Kung naghahanap kayo ng ganitong environment, visit their website. It's epicmountainestate.ph and learn more about Epic Leisure Farm. At baka maging interesado pa kayo.
Because health isn't just what's in your body, it's what's around you.
So that's it, guys. Sana nagustuhan niyo yung vlog natin for today. So reminder na take care of yourselves, be happy, and enjoy life and
make the most out of it.
Yeah, importante yon. Okay? Thank you so much and we'll see you in our next vlog.
Bye!